Hey guys, we're here filming some videos in my kitchen, or my classroom as I like to call it. And every time the cameras go off, people ask me questions about the cleanse, about my programs, about my supplements. And I said, ask me them while the cameras are rolling. So I got a really great question. Would you like to ask it?
Happy to. I'm planning on doing the cleanse, the 10-day cleanse. I'm just a little concerned, am I going to have enough energy during the cleanse? I like to play golf, in particular I like to walk when I play golf. So I'm concerned about having enough energy.
Great. So we get that question a lot. A lot of times people think about cleanses or detox being about stripping the body. So at the peak of our 10-day cleanse, you're actually doing 5 cleanse shakes. Each one has about 24 grams, or equivalent to a nice steak or a nice piece of chicken, of protein. You're doing that 5 times a day. You're also getting more vegetables in one shake than most people consume in an entire day. And again, you're doing that 5 times a day. We definitely guide you in, or gently bring you into the cleansing process and gently take you out of the cleansing process by starting with 2 shakes a day, a lot of food the first day, then 3 shakes a day, a little less food, 4 shakes, 5 shakes, 3 days of 5 shakes, and then we taper back down. We do that because the only thing that we find causes fatigue is when people get into detoxing historical stored fat-based toxins without eliminating efficiently. So typically what I say is when you're on the cleanse, you're going to experience an elevation in energy because we're infusing the body with more micronutrients than most people receive on a given day, than most people receive over an entire week. You should have an increase in energy. If you feel at all that your energy is coming down, you want to check how your body's eliminating. Are you drinking enough water so that your urine is clear? Are the bowels moving at least once to 3 times a day? Are you doing something to promote sweating? That will get that energy right back up. I have had clients that have literally swam the English Channel right after completing the 10-day cleanse. They felt so amazing. If you get any detox symptoms, it just means you're having a hard time eliminating, and it's also an indication that you were storing a lot more toxins than maybe you were aware of.